Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Identify the molecular formula of compound 1. Compound 1 is CH3CH2CHO, propanal. It contains 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Molecular formula C3H6O. Moving on to the next step. Check compound 2 CH3C is equal to O, CH3, acetone propanone. It contains 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Molecular formula C3H6O. Same as compound 1. Compound 2 is an isomer, functional group isomer, ketone versus aldehyde. Moving on to the next step. Check compound 3 CH3 CH is equal to CHO, prop 1 N 1 ol and enol. It contains 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Molecular formula C3H6O. Same as compound 1. Compound 3 is an isomer, enol tautomer functional isomer. And for the final step, CH2CH3 with an oxygen bridge between C1 and C2, 1,2-epoxypropane propylene oxide. It contains 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Molecular formula C3H6O. Same as compound 1. Compound 4 is an isomer, cyclic ether epoxide isomer. Since compounds 2, 3, and 4 all share the molecular formula C3H6O with compound 1, all of them are isomers of compound 1. Why other options fail? Option A says only 2 is an isomer, incorrect, as 3 and 4 also qualify. Option B says only 4 is an isomer, incorrect, as 2 and 3 also qualify. Option C says only 2 and 3 are isomers, incorrect, as 4 also qualifies. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.